what is your script about? What is your concept about? That is going to be number one. It doesn't matter how great your AI is going to look. If you don't have the content, it's just going to be something flashy and forgettable. Okay? So this is the first thing from the script form. And then we change it to shot prompt list from the script. So this one I break down the shots myself, not ChatGPT. This was a shot I broke down, and we prompt bunch of these shots. And the thing is, when you're working on AI, you got to remember to prompt a lot. A lot of people, they prompt one time and they didn't get what they want. They get frustrated. They prompt the second time, it still don't get what they want, and then they just said, forget this. Usually we just prompt like 5 or 6 shots and then use only one of them. So just remember that. Don't get frustrated and quit. And so after prompting, this is basically editing. You put the shots together. Here is what we did to create a workflow. After you put the shots together, you need a sound. We needed a lot of sound effect to create the atmosphere. I use ElevenLabs for sound effect. I used to have to go in and search for different sound effect, but right now with the AI, ElevenLabs, you can go in and just type in the sound effect you need, and they'll give you the sound effect, which is really cool. Okay, so here's the final that we put the sound and picture together. Okay, now we're getting to the dialogue. This is the fun part. If you have good dialogue, if you have good voice talking, then it's very believable. But a lot of pieces, people feel like, oh, that's too AI. It's because their voice sound like AI. In this case, I use Runway Act 1. Now they have Act 2, which is really advanced. But at the time, we used Act 1. But the fundamental is the same. You basically act out your actor. With this, you actually have control of their emotion, like their thinking. You kind of have to use a little bit of your acting chops. For this one, you can just tell by all the takes it took for me to get these shots. And I took a lot of take. It's basically like acting. And then I will use the best take and put it on to the actor. You'll see this is the original prompt. The actor is not talking. And now I put my acting onto the actor and generate it.
I swear, I know the guy. He was here before what happened to him. It's some kind of shamanistic ritual they did to him. I swear, I know the guy. He was here before what happened to him. It's some kind of shamanistic ritual they did to him.
And then after that, there's another step. I would have to put my voice into ElevenLabs to change the voice. They have a function called voice change, and you can use another person's voice, so not every character sound like you, and then change the voice, and this is the result.
I swear, I know the guy. He was here before what happened to him. Those girls did some kind of shamanistic ritual to him.
When you just use the generic AI lip sync, they don't give you the nuance you need for a real person talking. And this is the closest to a real person acting and talking. Having your characters sound real is absolutely essential. Without it, there is no emotional engagement. That's also why much of the AI work you see today leans toward commercial or flashy visuals. AI works great for ads, music videos, trailers, format with quick cuts, but when it comes to narrative filmmaking, where characters need to talk, connect, and carry emotion, get it done right will change the quality and the realism of your film. It's very important. So let's try out a few of the lip sync app right now. We'll try Hedra first. Hedra is very popular. Hedra, basically you just put the image in and then put the voiceover in, and then it'll generate for you.
I'm putting in the floor show. You'll be good for business.
Let's dive into how you can develop a film concept using AI writing tools like ChatGPT.
Same as Dreamina. Dreamina is the same. You put the image in and then the voice in.
Let me tell you why you're here. You've felt it, haven't you? When you scroll endlessly, when you see cat videos reenacting Titanic, dogs, skydiving.
And then we have Runway. This is Act 1, but now they have Act 2, but it's similar. Basically, you act out the scene, give the actors more nuance and expression.
Mr. Han, were you in the room all night? And yet, you don't remember anything.
Then we have Kling. Kling actually was my go-to lip sync because I really liked it. But Kling, you have to input video and then it'll generate the lip sync. I think it has more dimension than the image. The video just has more movement, so it's able to catch that movement better. So in return, the talking seems more real because it's capturing the same motion.
Doesn't using AI just turn everything into, I don't know, machine-made mediocre stories?
And then I say Kling was my go-to lip sync because now with the new VO3 update, by you punch in the dialogue and put in what they say, and they would generate the image. And it's really, really good.
Do you remember this song we used to sing when we were young? Of course! How could I forget our favorite melody?
Miss Chen. Miss Chen, are you with us?
$2.
Yeah, $2. $2?
So I hope today you get a good understanding of how my workflow goes from the script to the image and then to the dialogue and then finally the final product. And I went over extensively on the dialogue and lip sync because it's one of the most important part of having that realism in the filmmaking.